こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Grammar video number 9 of JLPT N4 and we're gonna continue with 可能動詞. I already made 2 videos about potential verbs, 可能動詞. So this is gonna be the third part. Actually, I wondered a lot if I'm gonna tell you this or not, but I decided to tell you because in many occasions, almost everybody speak like this, but this is not so correct, and I want to explain you. Do you remember in the potential verbs, in the second group, all of them, instead of mas, it's gonna be られます. And the third group, one of them, 来ます, and this is gonna be the 来られます, right? These are really the correct way. So you must answer like this in JLPT exam with られます in the second group and 来ます、来られます in the third group, okay? But in the casual conversation and everyday conversation, many occasions, almost always, this ら we omitted this one and this one. And this fact that we omit this letter ら we say ら抜き and this 抜き comes from the verb 抜きます group 1 and 抜きます this means to take out, to omit or to leave off. That's why ら抜き this means to omit this letter ら. Actually, this is not so correct grammatically, but many people, even I, sometimes speak with this one, ら抜き. And everybody, maybe if you are in Japan, you listen to these sentences without ら, and you might think, oh, why? So I'm going to explain you. Let's make some sentences at first in the correct way, and the second one, the same sentence with ら抜き, because everybody, or usually many people speak like this. He can't eat peanuts because of an allergy or due to an allergy. At first, some vocabularies. Allergy, we say アレルギー, 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 allergy. And peanuts, peanuts, peanuts with small 2. Peanuts. 彼はアレルギーでピーナッツが食べられません。彼はアレルギーでピーナッツが食べられません。Now the same sentence but with ら抜き very casual way. So instead of 食べられません casual form 食べられない right? 食べられない but now without ら食べれない食べれない彼はアレルギーでピーナッツが食べれない彼はアレルギーでピーナッツが食べれない As I told you, in the exam, if you say 食べれない this is not correct. But maybe you listen to this 食べれない many occasions, so I teach you. But in the form casual way, 食べられない this is correct. 食べられない and 食べれない this is not correct, but many people speak it. Can you really come tomorrow? 明日本当に来られますか? 明日本当に来られますか? Now the same sentence in the casual form, but still the correct. 明日本当に来られる? 明日本当に来られる? Now again the same sentence, but now with ら抜き omitting ら. And this is not so correct, but many people speak like this. 明日本当に来れる? 明日本当に来れる? I can't be here anymore, or I can't stay here anymore. もうここにいられません。もうここにいられません。The same sentence in the casual way. もうここにいられない。もうここにいられない。Now again, the same sentence, but with ranuki, omitting la. And this is not correct in the exam, okay? This is not correct. But many Japanese people speak like this. もうここに入れない。もうここに入れない。もうここに入れない。I was very busy yesterday, so I couldn't watch the soccer game or the football match. The soccer game in American English and the football match in British English, this is サッカーの試合。サッカーの試合、adjective busy。忙しい。忙しい。This is e adjective. And when I want to say, this is like a cause, the cause, it means I was busy or I'm busy, so this is the cause. In this case, we can say, 忙しくて、something, 忙しくて、昨日、忙しくて、サッカーの試合が見られませんでした。昨日忙しくてサッカーの試合が見られませんでした。That was the formal way of speaking. And now the casual way, but still the correct way. 昨日忙しくてサッカーの試合が見られなかった。昨日忙しくてサッカーの試合が見られなかった。The same sentence but with ら抜き、omitting ら。昨日忙しくてサッカーの試合が見れなかった。昨日忙しくてサッカーの試合が見れなかった。As I was awake till 2 a.m. last night, I couldn't get up early this morning. 昨日の夜2時まで起きていましたから、今朝早く起きられませんでした。昨日の夜2時まで起きていましたから、今朝早く起きられませんでした。Now the same sentence in casual way, but grammatically correct. 昨日の夜2時まで起きていたから今朝早く起きられなかった。昨日の夜2時まで起きていたから今朝早く起きられなかった。Now in correct way but faster. I was awake, so in the formal way 起きていましたから。But in the casual way 起きていたから。And even faster way, we omit e. It means 起きていたから。This e I omit. 起きてたから。So quick. 昨日の夜2時まで起きてたから今朝早く起きれなかった。昨日の夜2時まで起きてたから今朝早く起きれなかった。You can listen to these sentences like this in anime, manga, or in everyday life. So without la, and even without E, as I told you. ています、食べています、食べてる like this. But this is so casual way and we use so a lot. So I want you to know this. But in the exam, you must write with la and with e, everything in a correct way. The way how to use the languages is developing every day, right? So maybe in the future, this ranuki can be the correct way. But now, at this time, it's not correct in the exam. As I'm a Japanese teacher, so I was wondering if I should tell you this or no, because I want you to know the correct way. But actually, we use lots of, in many occasions without la. So I wanted you to know this, and please don't get confused. This is not the different grammar, the same grammar, the same potential verbs, but omitting la. So when you hear Japanese people speaking without la or in anime, then I want you to recognize that this is still the same potential verbs, but without la, omitting the word la. So maybe you think this is they're speaking much faster because without some words. Now a quiz time with only 3 questions, and they are the translations into Japanese. But so 3 questions, but each one of them I want you to write 3. So it means a total of 9 sentences. It means in every sentence that I tell you in English, I want you to write 3 sentences. The first one in the formal way, second one in the casual way, but these 2 are correct grammatically, okay? And the third one with ranuki, omitting la, because I want you to get accustomed to it. Even this is not correct grammatically, but this is the way many Japanese people talk daily life. 1番目、I couldn't go to the library yesterday, so I couldn't borrow the book that I wanted to read. This sentence is not easy at all because the second part of this sentence is relative clause. Today's important topic is this one, ranuki, omission of la. But anyway, I want you to remember the grammars that we learned already. 2番目、I guess, Yamada-san probably can't come to the party. 3番目、最後です。Could you see the fireworks in Japan? Fireworks, we say hanabi. Hanabi. Today we learned ranuki, the omission of the word ra. But I want you to remember that this is only in the second group, and the third group, one of them, 来ます、来られます。This one, 来れます。It means the first group is just the same as the normal way. We don't omit anything in the first group. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can receive all of my videos to study Japanese with me. If you can share my videos with your friends or your family or to someone who you think they might be interested in my videos, please do it. That would be a great help for me. いかがでしたか？今日はラ抜きを勉強しました。今のところ日本語能力試験ではラ抜きでは正解ではないので間違わないでくださいね。でも実際に毎日の生活では普通私たち日本人はよくラ抜きで話しますよね。そしてアニメもラ抜きが多いです。このラ抜きのビデオを作ろうかどうか本当はとても迷ったんですよ。でも結局アニメとかにもラ抜きの言葉がたくさん出てくるし、実際に日本人はラ抜きで話すことが多いので、だからやっぱりこのビデオを作ったんです。例えば、昨日よく寝れた？こんなに全部食べれないよ。昨日のアニメ見れなかった。このように話すのが普通ですよね。このように普通の会話では とても早く話してしまうので、そういうことにも慣れた方がいいかなと思ってこのビデオを作ったんです。このビデオがいいなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。では、また次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。じゃあ、またね。